Ever wondered if you absolutely need a last name to join the PayPal revolution? Let's crack the code in the next minute. First, navigate to PayPal's website. You'll see options for signing up either for a personal account or a business account. This choice significantly impacts whether or not you can bypass the last name field. If you're opting for a personal PayPal account, unfortunately, providing both a first and last name is typically a mandatory requirement. PayPal uses this information for identity verification and security purposes. There's generally no workaround here. However, for business accounts, the rules can be a little more flexible. Select the business account option. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. As you proceed, PayPal will ask for your business contact information. Here, you might find an opportunity to use just your first name in the first name field, and perhaps a business identifier or initial in the last name field. For example, you could enter John as the first name and D as the last name. It's vital to understand that the name you provide for your business should align with any official business documents or registrations you might have. Using entirely fictitious information could lead to account limitations or issues later on. So, in short, while a personal account requires a full name, a business account might offer some wiggle room, but always prioritize accuracy and compliance with PayPal's terms. Good luck setting up your account.